My name is Achin Batra. I'm a CTO at 30 Madison. 30 Madison is a healthcare company providing specialized healthcare and treatment for chronic conditions. The patients who use our system, they can consult with their doctors, receive treatment plans, get medication delivered, and then access ongoing care as well as part of our platform. We were migrating from our old system to the new system, and that's where we really got the QA Wolf team involved. We were going to rewrite the entire software stack into something else, and that's where we just need coverage. We need quick coverage as well. So in all of this, building all of the framework and the architecture around this is expensive, and we wanted something quick and fast and also with high quality. What QA Wolf provided us was the speed. The number of tests you all provided at the speed you provided is still hard to replicate. The number of tests, I believe when I joined, it was in the hundreds, and this was 2024. The 2025 goal is around 2,000, a big difference. And I believe right now we are around in the 1900 space. I think it's important to highlight why is automated testing important to any company and us, right? One is we want to keep pushing on release velocity. I think that's really important. We are able to go and whenever something is pushed, it runs it, and you're able to get that feedback loop within our SDLC. And that's a big deal. I think that's a big win. So it increases velocity of the team, and you're able to see tests and results really quickly. The QA Wolf team is very independent, which is kind of great. I'm largely seeing readouts saying, okay, we're improving the flakes. This is the number of tests we've created. They're able to look at the bugs, frankly, and create the workflows themselves. Largely a very autonomous team. I think it frees up engineering talent, frankly. That's the part which is a big deal for us. I think a significant portion of our pre-release initially, that phase, involved manual QA. So this could mean several engineers, maybe one manual QA or a product person. I could argue multiple days a week on regression. I think beyond that, developer time was also being spent on bug fixes and investigation. The flip side was I go and hire a lot of QA engineers. That was the answer, right? Likely 8 to 10. If I want robust coverage, I hire QA engineers who create their own test harness, who create Selenium, whatever that is. They go and create our own platform that we have to maintain. From the SRE side, we add resourcing here too. That's costly, right? So in this case, I want this to be a seamless experience. It frees up our engineering talent and really allows the developers to just focus on the most important activities. Every new patient coming in on Neurex is on this new system. And without QA Wolf, that would have been challenging. Did we accelerate the brand initiatives? Likely, yes. The feature rollouts? Likely, yes. So it was part of the entire tech stack where product folks, engineers, integrated all of their workflows with QA Wolf that allowed us to push this new platform forward.